Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today I am going to teach you about determining of degree of indeterminacy of the trusses. In the previous tutorial we discussed about beams, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the trusses, degree of indeterminacy. Trusses. Since the truss member are assumed to carry only axial forces and lie in the same place, the force system acting at each joint is coplanar and concurrent. Thus, it is only necessary to satisfy summation of all forces in x direction and summation of all forces in y direction is equal to 0. If J is the number of joint are available, the total number of equation available for solution is 2J. For trusses, the total number of unknown include the forces is M for member of bar of the trusses, and total number of reaction is R, and J is for the number of joint. Then if M plus R, that is member plus reaction, is equal to 2J, then it is statically determinate. And if M plus R greater than is 2J, then it is statically indeterminate structure. So the degree of statically indeterminacy is equal to M plus R minus 2J. Let's draw a truss. Excuse my drawing. It is pinned or hinge joint, and it is roller support. It is hinge support, it is roller support. These are the joint. These are the joint. Okay, so now member, that is M, is equal to, these are the member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 7 member, and joints, that is J, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number of joints is 5, and the reactions, that is, it is 1, it is 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So according to the equation, M plus R is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, and number of joint 2J is equal to 2 into 5, that is 10. So M plus R, that is 10, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, 2J, 5 joint, 1, 2, 3, okay, is equal to 2J, that is 10 also. Okay, so it is, we can say, statically determinate structure. So degree of statically indeterminacy is equal to 0. Why? Because m plus r is equal to 10 minus 2j is equal to 10 is equal to 0. Okay, let's solution another example. It is a truss. We have to keep in mind three things, that is member, joint and reaction. First, member. Member m is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 member. Joint is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 joint, sorry, 5 joint, and the reactions are that is R is equal to, it is hinge support, hinge support have two reaction, 2 2, so 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now m plus r is equal to 7 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 4 11, and 2j is equal to 2 into 5 10. So m plus r minus 2j is equal to 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. So degree of statical indeterminacy is equal to 1. Okay, it is easy. So let's do some homework. Home task. This is a structure, sorry, truss. It is hinge support, drawer support. There is, it is the joint, the black dots are the joint. Okay, this is a truss also, drawer support, hinge support. These are the joint members. This is also a truss, and there is another. These are the joint, the red black dots. Complete the task and get back to me. Okay, if you have any problem, comment on the video or mail me. I will get back to you soon. So thank you for watching.